Hello YouTube, we found this metal detector in our yard years ago, and we'd had it painted blue, so somewhere along the line between me losing it in my junk in my big shop, then I lost it at my desk. I'd had it painted, so I must have stripped the paint back off. I was going to do something with it. We're going to see, I don't know if we can put Bondo in there or not. We're going to clean it up and see if we can smooth it up. We'll make a big thing about it. We'll show you some pictures of each step, like when I put Bondo on it and what I do. We have to get this off to work on it. So we don't want to bend it up too bad, but we'll see if we do it. It probably weighs about 6 ounces or so. I don't think it's heavy. I don't think it's a half a pound. And it's not cast iron. I'm sure it's solid steel. It's regular steel. Maybe back then they called it wrought iron or something, but we'll clean it up. There really isn't no way. A person probably could put it in a lathe and machine it all the way down. You'd be so small by the time you took the pits out, though. We'll see what we can do with it. So stay tuned and we'll bring you back and see what it looks like when we're done. Okay, we are done. We'll play around in the light here a little bit. Then we'll show you what this is gold that has black mixed with it. It's kind of blowing the camera out. I took a picture. So you can pause on the. See how the black came to the top? And see it outlining the gold? But when I had it mixed and put it on it, it stayed mixed pretty good. But it will separate. See, that's what I mixed in. A lid off a chapstick container. Then I just poured the rest back in the bottle. This is what gold normally looks like. These both were almost the same color. But I've done that before. I've also mixed copper paint. I don't have any with gold. There you go. It's going to take a couple days to cure. So it'll have the little wire thing brushed up, put on and hang it up. I figured I'd paint it that color. I didn't want it painted any bright colors. I want it to kind of look like it's an old brass Plumb Bob. I didn't want it shiny looking though, because then it would look fake. See, now you see it from a distance, it looks really old looking. If we can get the light out of here completely, I think you can see what I mean. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll try to get some close-ups of this. One little add-on, also look at the pictures I showed where after I bondoed it, I put gray, flat gray, then I put the rust colored, then I put gray again. Several coats, sanding it with 1,000 grit sandpaper. There's still a few pits and stuff in there, but it's better than what it was before. I mean, you'll never know it has that many rust pits in it. So that was the whole idea. Just keep coating with a thick primer. Let it dry for several hours and then sand it down and keep coating it. So it's probably got about 4 coats of primer on it before I painted it. So thanks again. We're out of here.